Good day, guys. This is Mr. Shah. Compliments for the new year. My name is Mr. Shah, the crypto guy. I'm the founder of Shalom Cryptocurrency Institution. Guys, I'm back again, guys, with a bang this year, guys. We're gonna be doing a lot of things. We're gonna be focusing in many things that are actually taking place within the crypto space. A lot of things are happening. A lot of things was taking place last year. We saw massive updates. We saw things like companies like Voyager, Celsius Network. You remember the story of Terra Luna, now the FTX. Now we have also the SEC going after the DCG after the Gemini claims against the DCG company. So we're going to be seeing a lot of things that will be taking place. But right now we are witnessing Bitcoin going a bit up. Now it is amazing stuff because we were actually expecting to see something like that just to give us that a bit of a breathe, because we've been in a bear market for quite some time. But otherwise, throughout the year of 2023, a lot of things are going to be happening. Personally, myself, guys, I expect anything to happen, right? We're going to be seeing the lower highs, the lower lows, but at some certain point, because of what is actually happening within the crypto space, just like this week, we're going to be having, I think at the end of the week, we're going to be having the Fed having the meeting. So there, the outcome of the meeting, somehow is going to affect the market, either positively or negatively. Right, so it's just gonna be affecting the market one way or another. So a lot of things will be happening that will be affecting the market. But remember, guys, the goal is 2024 Bitcoin halving. That is one thing that we're focusing on, and also in my institution, that one thing that we are actually going to be pushing this year, focusing on that, because we know what happens based on the history of Bitcoin. We know what happens after the Bitcoin halving. So we are expecting that massive bull run starting just after the Bitcoin halving. It might not be immediate, but after that, we will be seeing certain changes within the crypto space. But what do we do now in 2023? 2023, guys, we need to focus on accumulating as many tokens as we can. And because of that, guys, for all my followers, what I'll be doing, guys, I'll be giving you out tokens for free. I'll be dropping them down on my YouTube channel. I'll be dropping them down on my TikTok account. Make sure that you follow me also on TikTok so that you don't miss this content. And if you are on my YouTube channel, or if you're not yet part of my YouTube channel, make sure that you go there, subscribe, hit that notification button, and make sure, guys, that you don't miss any content that I'll be putting down there, because I'll be giving out these tokens just like that. These tokens, guys, you can find them in top exchanges, and these are tokens that are down by almost 100%. I've done not enough research. I had sleepless nights looking for these tokens, and the reason why I was doing these, guys, is because so that all those who are following my content, all those who are following the information that I'm giving out, can also be able to get something out. This information, some of them people, guys, out there, they're giving out with a certain amount, but I'm just going to give this out information to you guys just for free. So if you need these tokens, make sure that you are glued to my YouTube channel and to my TikTok account, because these videos will be coming out just like that. There won't be enough time to be doing all this analysis and on the videos. I'll be just giving out the tokens and also let you know, guys, where to buy them and why I think you should buy the tokens as well. I'll emphasize on that. Where we give enough information, where we give enough crypto education, guys, is in our institution, in our school, where we're actually teaching cryptocurrency like never before. We're teaching cryptocurrency. We're making sure that we're providing crypto education to everyone who's actually part of our students. We have two programs, guys, that is beginners program and advanced programs. They offer different modules inside. There's different things that you're going to find in those modules. You can check them out also on my social networks. I'll leave down the links or the description. Make sure, guys, that you check them out as well. But make sure that also you also let your friends know, guys. There will be tokens that I'll be dropping down on my YouTube channel and also on my TikTok account. And another good news, guys, is that there are a number of tokens that I've gathered, right? Number of tokens that can do very well once they get launched. Some of these projects are not yet launched at all, right? So I will actually be giving them out on you guys to make sure that also you do buy them. But remember, the most important thing that you must always remember, this is not any financial advice. So when you choose to invest in those projects, make sure that you've also done your own research, right? This is just me also just giving you guys what I found within the crypto space, but the rest of the thing and the rest of the responsibilities upon you. Whether you invest or you don't, it's up to you. So make sure that you also do your own research, and make sure that you also do your own due diligence before you put your hard-earned money in these projects or in these tokens, right? I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. So guys, without any waste of time, we're going to be getting into that. We're going to be recording a lot of videos about these tokens. Make sure that you follow them. Make sure that you follow my YouTube, my TikTok account, and also subscribe on my YouTube channel to make sure that you don't miss out on this one. My name is Mr. Shah, the crypto guy, all the way from Africa. Guys, it's all about cryptocurrency. Until I see you guys on the next one. For now, I'm out. Bye guys.